we go. Restream's playing games these days, people. All right, so I think we're live now. Hopefully everybody is having a great whatever here. Great afternoon. Thank God, dude. Restream is just playing games over here. All right, guys. Again, I was going through a little spiel, and then I saw that Restream decided to be like, hey, STV, fuck you, but you can't stop me no matter what you try and do. I'm going to, one, continue to make money in the market because that's what we're here to do. Had a little bit of a green day today. You guys saw that NVIDIA trade that I had. That was absolutely filthy. It was up like 30% on the next week contracts. Those were nice. Flipped it earlier in the day, got stopped out on SPY, almost got stopped out on SPY again, but then rode those back into the green, and those were pretty nice, and ended the day green. Our trading algorithm right now, one of them that I'm running on my own money, is up 5.48% today. So I threw some money at it. It's having a pretty fucking great day over here. So let's see, guys. Again, this is a little bit of a public live here, so if you guys wouldn't mind dropping some likes on the stream over here, it helps out a whole lot getting these streams out to as many people who want to learn some stuff. Because again, this is the best place to come if you actually want to learn some things and not get led to the fucking slaughter like everybody on social media is doing to everybody right now. And it literally makes me want to bash my fucking head into a wall because people just are literally just injecting themselves directly to the arm, the ass, whatever the fuck, with hopium, and it hurts because everybody's just gonna get hurt at the end of the day when we could just sit here making money all the time. Okay, no rant. Sorry, I queued my own rant there. It's all right. Finished already this morning. Dropping in for a like. I'll chill for a bit with you guys. Samly, appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. All right, team. Let's get after it here. So SPY kind of screwing around a little bit. We have Tesla earnings after hours. Again, Tesla basically just barcoding today. You guys were asking me this morning about what I thought on Tesla. It didn't make any fucking sense to trade it. I was saying that the whole morning. The only reason why I was watching Tesla was to see if it was going to give any indication of market movement. SPY this morning was very strange. Apple was off to the races. SPY was all below these EMAs here. It didn't really make a whole lot of sense to be touching a lot. I rode this NVIDIA move all the way up until like here, or maybe it was here. It was one of these candles here where I was like, eh, and then I just got stopped out. Remember that take profit stop loss video is already out on the channel. If you guys haven't seen that yet, you are missing out on probably the best way to remove your emotions from the trade. So let's get after it here, team. Here we go. Let's see who we got in here. Announce yourselves. Neo Death. It might. I mean, it depends on how Tesla does. Let's see here, though. Apple fucking around. Nothing too crazy going on over here. I did see some action out of Bank of England transferring some money, or the Treasury transferring some money over to the Bank of England to help pay off the help basically finance the bonds that they were buying. Oh shit, dude, the 10-year. Look at this, guys. This is not good. Anybody that's calling for a pivot or like everything to start going up, they are morons, bro. Absolute like. I cannot get it through my head how moronic some of these people are. Yeah, you can trade it. It can go up in the short term, but people calling for like, oh, boom. No, Look at these fucking yields. We have not seen the 10-year treasury this high since 2008, bro. That's not good. The bond market, not good. Typically, when you see yields come up like this, you'd be like, oh, money's going out of bonds and into stocks. It's not. It's going to cash because nobody has any fucking clue. Bonds are getting shorted to oblivion. Doesn't really matter. Like, it doesn't matter if they're getting shorted or they're getting sold. The yields are super high. Like, they short bonds anyway. Usually they're short yields, though. That's what happens after the Fed gets done babysitting for 2 years. Yeah, true. And then there's a bunch of idiot, like, dude, I can't even, like, people are like, oh, things are gonna go. It's like, shut the fuck up. No, it's not. You're leading people to the slaughter. Maybe if Powell sees ankles, he will pivot. We don't want Powell to pivot. That's the thing that people don't realize. You don't want him to pivot. If he pivots, we're fucked. Like, people don't seem to get that through their heads that, like, if Powell pivots right now, you're gonna have high inflation forever. You're gonna have wild nonsense. It's just, you can't. You just saw the Bank of England try to do it, and you don't want him to. So people that are calling for breaks my brain. But let's take a look and see what the probabilities for the 75 basis point rate hike are. 95.1, very interesting. Let's see what else we got for today, Wednesday. Housing data, housing starts came in a little bit lower than expected. We get the beige book at 2, which could be interesting. Then Thursday, tomorrow morning, we get jobs report. manufacturing index, existing home sales. That'll be an interesting number there. Leading economic indicators. That'll be interesting too. And that's kind of where we're going. But earnings is really going to be deciding where the market wants to go. You guys saw what happened with Netflix. Again, that thing was a wild person. You keep telling people 2025. I think, I mean, in terms of like when things can get better, it depends. It could happen soon if they can find a way to land this thing. Unless you plan on selling all your stocks in the next couple of years, take advantage of the dips. I disagree. I very, very, very much disagree with that type of statement. I think buy the dip right now is you haven't gotten the indication. Because this is everybody. This is why you guys need to pay attention to a lot of these things. Like people are going to come out here and just say things like buy the dip. It's okay. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. It's going to come back up. Why though? Like, why would things come back up? Are you saying that the Fed's going to go back into this low rate quantitative easing period where things can grow, where money is going to be easy to get? That's a bit strange. Are you saying earnings are going to outweigh expectations? I don't know about that. Are you saying that everybody's going to say fuck it to the bond market and just throw all their money into stocks? I don't know about that. Like people, the yields are pretty high on them. The risk adjusted expected returns on the bond yields are getting up there. So yeah, I think we have a long way to go. I think we're going to be in for some very, very volatile markets over the next year and a half. I think if you want to, you can nibble. But until we get that light at the end of the tunnel and we actually know where that is, I'm not buying shit. Let's see what the algorithm's up right now. Oh, 5.389%. It's almost like we are really good at this. The people who will dollar cost average at this time are regular people in the 401ks. Yeah, it's fair. You can do it. Like in the move that we saw from the lows could have been dip buyers, some shorts getting out of their positions in order to reestablish at some higher levels, like that 375 that we saw yesterday. Yeah, this one right here. Good morning. Hope you're well. Had track day with the Porsche yesterday. There you go, man. Wish I could have linked up with you to come down. Made a video on your YouTube of a few laps. Got mad about how she's about the slow speed of other drivers. Damn, bro. Damn. There you go, guys. And again, this is a public stream. We got 130 of you guys in here. Again, you got some slackers on the like button, man. I would really appreciate it. Helps get these streams out to some more people. But let's see here. So SPY looks like it could end up slipping down a little bit here. You think we're going to touch that 2018 low? No. I think right now the first level that I'm looking for is this. First level that I'm looking for on the SPY, let's throw this on the weekly, is this. The peak of the pandemic, but the peak right before the pandemic, 338 to 340. That's where I'm really looking for it. To see, okay, this is probably because right now, even if we were chilling at this level right now, I would still say we haven't reached the lows yet because of where we're at in the tightening cycle. YouTube's not showing me live. YouTube likes to screw with us, bro. Like, not gonna lie, they like to screw with us a little bit here. So again, guys, the only way to help that is dropping some likes over here. It helps, costs you nothing to do it. Helps me out a whole lot. Let's see. Where's the week? 367.37. Okay, so that's another key level on the weekly for SPY here. We were talking about this in the morning stream. That weekly 200. If we slip back down below, if you're wondering, scalp TLT puts for 6%. Again, dude, TLT's been nasty to the downside recently. Like if you just bought and like leap TLT puts, I mean, you made a killing, bro. Like a killing. This thing's at 96. Holy fuck. That's nuts, dude. Like, that's not good. That's not a good sign. The only thing, it's like every single market is not pricing in a pivot, and then the stock market's like, wee, let's run. It's like, all right, guys, let's relax a little bit here. That's like, dude, everybody was like yesterday. I almost tweeted out. I was like, oh yeah, I forgot everything got solved, and it's like, it really didn't though. Yeah, here comes SPY slipping down. Oh. Dude, I sat here and did nothing, and my algorithm made me like $500 today. And it's alerting at like all. This one doesn't really have many tweaks. The ones that you guys all have access to in the group too. These things are killer, bro. These things are killer. I love them. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, I can. Let me see. I gotta hide the. Yeah, I can do this right here. So you see this? Hold on, let me see. I don't know what's on here though. That's the thing. I posted the screenshots to my Twitter and on my Instagram. So if you guys want to see them there, yeah, it's 5.589 right now. No one like Mullins dog crap, bro. Again, this is the whole thing that I was talking about earlier, that you being led to the slaughter. People are just trying to get your clicks and hype you up because they know that a lot of retail investors are saying, oh my God, there's a stock that's up this much. I want to get in on it. And they're just feeding off of your hopium. So it is what it is. You can do what you want with it. I think it's crap. I think a lot of things that are going on right now are crap, and it's not a good representation of what's going on. And I'm not going to really have any part of just feeding off of like what, why you're just leading people to lose money. It's sad. It is sad. It's very sad. If we break 368, could we see 366? Yeah, I think so. We were talking about that today. This is the one. Where's the level now? Oh, I got to refresh this so we can get my level. Where is it? Yeah, so this level right here is from March of 2021. But that's 360. Yeah, that's basically 366. Yeah, I mean, you're slipping here. You might come down to these lows. Damn, dude, this volatility is crazy. If I held that in that, I had a big SPY put position for Monday. I got it. This is the thing. I was playing it off of this. I held it through this. It didn't hit my stop. And then sold off through here, and I was out down here. So this kind of screwed me out a little bit, and I wish I was getting more at this 200 EMA retest, but I ended up getting out like around on this wick because I had a limit order sitting there, and it rallied back up. This really would have pissed me off if it came back up here. But then this moved down, another trade there. Let's see. All right, team. So SPY slipping here. Let's see what happens. It's getting a little nutty. I like it. A lot of volatility, a lot of money to be made. I didn't have any crazy day today. There was a lot of chop. I probably up like 0.5% today in the trading account. That's about what it is. Nothing crazy. Hit a little baby Nvidia. Stopped out on a SPY trade. Murdered Nvidia again. And then hit a baby SPY trade at the end of the day. But the initial stop out on the SPY set me back a little bit, which it's fine. It happens. Everybody gets stopped out. Ended the day green though. That's all that matters. Keep compounding. That's like literally in my mind. It's like just if you can end the day green. I don't care by how much really. I have a goal in mind, but if I finish the day green, fine by me. Love it when you explain your trade. I mean, we can go through it, dude. It's this algorithm's crazy, man. If you guys want it, it's linked at the top of the live chat. This is basically the one that I have here is very similar to Pythagoras. I don't think there's really any differences besides the amount of stocks that it's looking at. So it's the same deal. This thing's a monster. So again, we have that one, Trader Joe. One of them's predictive, one of them's not. Then we have Invictus, the predictive one on the 5-minute. Dude, these if you're not in there, man, I mean, let's see. When you explain your entries, it helps out a lot. Yeah. So we can go through this one. So this is going to provide you guys with a lot of lessons here on why I do everything that I do. Okay. So I was entering on the break of VWAP here. I was trying to hold on. I had two trades. I had two SPY trades actually. So I played this down, this quick one down. I think I played Fridays on this one, but I went smaller. So I had it. You guys can see it in the community gains. I had like an 8%er and then like a 6%er. They're small. It's fine. I mean, I'm trading with more time to see if I can start to like take profits off the table and then start to move my stop losses up and then let the trade go and then hopefully not get stopped out in profit or around break even. So I'm trying to think. I'm pretty sure I entered this next SPY trade around here. It wasn't a good entry. I'll tell you that right now. This was not a good entry for me. I entered the trade and as soon as I entered it, I was like, this is probably a bad decision. Like it is what it is. Sometimes I like it happens. Invictus paired with the knowledge of the system is my lifeline, man. You guys are changing the game, brother Vix. Austin, I appreciate that, man. Thank you, buddy. I mean, that's our goal, man. I mean, our results are speaking for themselves. Hey, y'all haven't been here in a while. What's good? Louisa, not much. But here is what I didn't really like the trade. I was playing the potential cross down in the continuation after I was already out of the initial baby spy trade. So then you see it start to run back up here. Now, in my mind, I was using a 15% stop loss. That's what I was using. I was playing Monday contracts and it never came down and tapped 15. It got really close, but it didn't hit it. So it then started to move back down. It started to flat. This kind of pissed me off a little bit here. When it comes down, flashes back up. And I had a sitting order to essentially take me out at a certain dollar amount of profit. I wasn't really looking for percentages. I was looking for a dollar amount and then to see if I could let the thing run a little bit. So it ended up being, I believe, about around 6% where I got out on this candle. It started to come back up. I had already had my second stop right around break even. And then it took me out here. So again, it then rallied back up and then made this move back down. But at this point, when you break down, tap the 200, break down, and then start to move back up, you easily could have seen this thing rally back to the upside. This trade that I was in, I did get a little bit lucky. But again, I literally just defaulted to the rules in the system and said, all right, well, it is what it is. We can go over the NVIDIA one from this morning too. This one was nasty. The big one was here. So it started to move up to this 200. So I essentially was playing the cross and the break of the 200 here. The thing goes from 119 to 123.50. That was filthy. You guys can see that on my Twitter and Instagram too. I mean, I just posted that gain is 30 something percent. Thank you. I mean, I'll take it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So again, at this point, I'm probably not taking any more trades today. Slightly green on the day. No reason to fuck around with it anymore. Gambling fat on RLMD. Lots of calls lost 80% in value in one day. That is, okay, Donald, here's what we're going to say right here. That is 100% verifiably, no bullshit, your fault. And I hate to say it like this, but if you're going to go into trades, here's the thing I'll say it's depending on what percentage of your account it is. I think gambling on these low flow, I'm guessing that's what it is, RLMD. You're not doing something that's like you can replicate. You're just YOLOing. You're like, all right, well, fucking hope. Like, you're just playing, you're gambling. You're trying to hit the lottery on a thing. You're never going to have success trading that way. Do you know how to screen capture from your phone or computer so you can show the screen when setting a stop loss? Yeah, I do, but it's really easy. Ready? If you're on Webull, I'll tell you how to do it. Whenever you go to sell a contract, all you have to do is change the order type. So you click sell, usually it'll default to a limit order, and you just click the arrow, and then you change it to stop, and then just set the price. And then you're good. But the whole strategy behind it is in that video that's out right now. Again, I can lead you to the water, but I can't make you drink. Burning it as well. I'll take your 0.96% for the day. There you go, man. Let's see. TLT rimming over here. A lot of things are kind of flatlined here. Let's see if SPY wants to make a move towards these lows. Would be interesting if it did. Let's see here. All right, guys. Again, hit that like button on the stream if you have not already. Oh, and Fadi, people like to have smoke blown up their ass and they don't like to hear the truth. They like hopium. They don't like actually learning things that are going to help them, which is fine. Like, that's the name of the game. It's like, okay, well, we're just going to help the people that actually want to learn. Do you think Webull will come out with trailing stop loss options at some point? Yes, I probably still won't use it. Stop loss is not on Webull for paper trading. That's fine. Again, we've talked about paper trading before. If you guys are paper trading, personally, I would say get off paper trading as soon as you can because of those three things that we like to talk about here a lot. Mindset, money management, method. When you're paper trading, you're just learning how to execute the method. You're saying, okay, I'm learning how to read charts a little bit, navigate my broker, and that's it. It's not going to give you the money management and mindset going into trades. So you have to trade with real money in order to get that feeling. Are you going to trade with the full size that you would normally go in? Probably not. I mean, if you're just starting out, I would say trade like with a smaller amount, but you need to be having actual risk on the table so you can get that feeling of what it's like to actually have real money out there at risk. Let's see. Dion, you got to work on your entries and exits, buddy. But we can help you with that. Exactly. It's much different with real money. Much different with real money. Was it TLT, the 20-year treasury that you were talking about yesterday? Yes. Yeah. TLT is that the, oh no, that's the 2-year. I was going to say I thought the 10-year was at 454 for a second. And I was like, Jesus, the 10-year is ripping right now. Wait, no, hold on. Sorry. That's the weekly. 10-year bouncing off that 13 here. Okay. Let's see what happens with the SPY. SPY on the way back down. All right. Let's see. Oh, dude, this algorithm's fucking killing it, bro. I love it. I love it, man. All right, let's see here. US dollar looks like it wants to run to 114. I agree. Let's throw this on a longer time frame to see what it wants, what we're looking at here. Yeah, I mean, it looks like, what's this, 114? Yeah, 113.90. I think it easily could get up here. If it really wants to break out of the highs, that would be interesting if the dollar really were to start to run. If you see nonsense in the UK with their pension funds, their bonds, and the tax situation, you could end up seeing the dollar run. And that would be no bueno for markets. TLT proving bearish thesis on the banks. Yeah. How do you feel about some 6-month out calls on TLT? I wouldn't try and front run it. Personally, I'm not going to try and front run the TLT move. I'll just wait until it's time. It's just not time yet. The move right now on TLT is still working its way down. So I think that the 10-year and all of these yields are most likely going to continue higher, especially with the rate hikes coming in. It's most likely going to push the 10-year and all these other yields higher. So I wouldn't necessarily be getting those now. What time frame is the best to trade on? Personally, for me, I love the 5-minute. For day trades, I love the 5-minute. But again, knowing your key levels, good to go there, man. And then Dion, make sure you're coming to the streams with us, buddy. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it depends. There's no like best time frame to trade on. It's whatever you're more comfortable with. But this market today, dude, is fun. Let's see. Nancy screwing around a little bit here. If Nancy breaks the 200 to the downside, I think you could get some action on it. Aim, see my real initials. Hello. How you doing? Let's see. Oh, we're like 30 likes away from 100 too. I appreciate you guys. You guys have been killing it recently. I like this. I like this midday crew. No nonsense. Nobody's being dumb. I haven't had to enact the no nonsense policy yet, which is really interesting. Love the suit. Thank you. I appreciate that. Here every day, still learning. Yeah, it's a learning process. It is a learning process, but you'll get over these humps and you'll say, whoa, like I wish that I knew what I knew now, like when I started. And you're like, damn it, I wouldn't have made all of these dumb mistakes. But sometimes you have to make the mistakes to learn. Jason, soon. I'm working on it, buddy. Don't worry. Oh, SPY. Where's the algo now? Oh, I love it. Let the robots trade for me. No dum-dums thing. I don't know. They're probably lurking. Let's see. Probably has Yukon sweatpants on. What the fuck, Michael? How do you know that? The hell, man? Oh, SPY got a big knife candle there. Hold your horses on. Oh, ho. New lows on the SPY. Here we go, team. I'd be a millionaire already if I knew this system when I first started. Hey, man, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Yeah, everything just got a little bit of a knife down here. Was it? Hold on. Where's Tessie? A little knife there, but that's a big move on the SPY. Oh, I don't even want to know. Let's see. Just joined SPY puts. You're chasing at this point, but I mean, it is what it is. So you got this cross here. Even if you waited this out, you got Monday contracts. You're not getting stopped out. You could ride this whole thing down. When can we use your secret algorithm? I mean, guys, you can use it right now. Pythagoras is alerting you every single time he's taking trades. Same thing with Trader Joe. Dude, look at this move down. Woo, baby. I love it. Let's see. I don't think there's any news on this thing. I haven't seen it, though. I haven't seen any of the news. Let's see. Moving my stop loss, puts printing. Thank you. At least somebody is paying attention. I try to give you guys all the good information, but it's up to you to like learn it. There you go, buddy. Yeah, so again, it's not complicated. It just takes the emotions out of the trade. You guys saw me put my phone down with the Nvidia trade today and it just ran and I was like, "Oh, I love it." So yeah, so it's bouncing up a little bit here. Again, at that point, if I was in puts, I probably would scale out and move the stop. That's just how I like doing it, locking in money there. SPY 359. That's a giant move. I don't think we're getting there today. The algo's about to break a day high. I love it. I love it, man. Oh, you guys ran up the likes there. I appreciate that, team. All right. So things are bending to the downside. Do not get led to the slaughter, team. There are a lot of people out there on the internet right now trying to blow smoke and hope up your ass. Be very, very, very careful with who you're listening to because the market in general is not looking good. You think that little rally up is everybody saying, "Oh, everything's fine now"? No. No, 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 no. Nope. Here we go. Let's see if it wants to continue here. Hold on. Hold your horses. Guaranteed break even at this point. There you go, Michael. Here it comes. Dude, I love these knife candles. Is this up rally done and over with? It depends on earnings. I mean, you're only down 1% on the SPY today. It's got a pretty big range on the day, too. A lot of money to be made on this thing. But it easily could be. I could see us coming back down to around like 360, and then we'll really see. So like basically another $7. And then it depends on what Tesla has to say in their earnings call today. Ooh, also, we got one-on-ones today, too. Dion, if you're struggling, buddy, come to the one-on-ones at 2. Let's see. Is it going to knife here? Because remember, we were looking at a potential break here. It could end up coming down to this level here. You just need the nice follow-through out of the sellers, which they haven't really been doing. Nvidia looking to slip that, too. Oh, Apple. Watch this. This we haven't really seen today. These clean breaks below the 200 after it's been above. Apple hunting across down here. Ooh, baby. Late night fix? Nah, no more late night fix. These are going to be the streams for now. Portfolio up 7% on Nvidia puts today. My man, there you go. I don't know how you did that. I was slaughtering the call side of it today, but there you go. Let's see. Oh, knife candles on the... Oh, shit. This is going to be... Oh, man. This is great. This is great. You're already up 5% on Apple puts? Nah, dude. You guys are slaughtering it over here. Again, there's money to be made all the time. You don't have to sit there waiting around. Just go make money, man. Let's see here. All right. New lows, new lows, new lows. I love it. Die, market. Die. Yeah, you're watching this 365.86 level. I don't know if it's going to get there, but that's pretty fucking... I don't even want to know what my initial put position would have been. 50%? I would have made a lot of money on that thing. It's all right, though. Already up a lot today, and I've got the algo cooking just to kind of lead me through. I'm always hedged. Let's see. Nancy slipping. Here we go. Mullen, piece of crap. That's what it is. That's more people trying to blow smoke up your ass and give you hope that, guys, I think I'm gonna go on this right now. We're gonna look at this. Here you go. Ready? Where is this? We'll use here. Mullen. 4 hour. It's at 39 cents. Like, no. One day of a big gain like this is not enough to counteract anybody's losses. So what you could do is just look at a compound interest calculator, look what you need to do every single day to make your money and not worry about this nonsense. I would never go near something like this. Just, it's not how I trade. It's not consistent. It's just, you're setting yourself up for failure there. 30. It's like, ugh. Market death. Here we go. Does anybody have a like a counteracting statement to that? Like, does anybody think that you can hit that consistently? Does anybody think it's a good idea to buy things like that all the time? Anybody? And then what happens next? Most likely comes down. So careful. Dude, I literally in the last week, I've traded like Apple, SPY, and NVIDIA, and I've made a crap load just following the strategy. It's easy, 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 easy. Here it goes. Sold for an instant 10% gain, rinse and repeat. That's not bad. You can do that. You were wondering what is happening with them? It's a pump probably. Maybe he's got some news, but let's see here. SPY 358 close out the market. 365 for Tesla open. 348 for Thursday. Steven, that would be a bit crazy if the market did that. Move the stop loss again. Now, definite gains. Somebody's listening. Somebody's paying attention. Michael, I'm telling you right now, you pay attention to a lot of those things that I've been saying in there on all those live streams. It's going to take you far, buddy. There you go. There you go. Let's see. I mean, it could end up coming down to these lower levels. You're getting a little retest here. Let's see if this is going to be a 1-minute rim. Let's see. Hopium, bro. Yeah, we're not doing any of that hopium crap. Let's see. Oh, 4 likes away from 100. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Thank you. You guys are awesome in here. I love it. All right, so here comes a potential 1-minute rim on the SPY. A little bit of a retest back to the upside here. Oops, what's going on here? 1-minute rim on Wells Fargo seems to be leading the market today. Yeah, why Wells Fargo, though? I mean, I don't think it would be leading the market. Nah, not really. I mean, this thing has been coming down, but it's kind of just like the market's starting to bend down here. It's kind of the same deal. This might be a little bit more. Here comes the rim. Oh, just a few moments ahead? Oh, true. It might be. It might be. I don't know if it's big enough to move the market around like that. Like Apple, Tesla, yeah. But I don't know about Wells Fargo. I mean, it's slipping back down here. Is this SPY? Yeah. Is Apple? Yeah. Dropping like it's hot? Yeah, man. 1 hour, 200 touch? Ooh, is that what it is? Downside? Yeah, what is that at? 366.80? Yeah, we got really close to that 1 hour, 200. Good call there. 0 for 1 on the spy. I chased a call in the morning, but lesson learned, no chasing. Good, good, no chasing. Again, sometimes you're going to start learning things and be like, okay, this is what you typically see out of the market when it does this. And it can gear you away from a chase. Now, can the chases work? Yes, there are some days where chasing is the name of the game and it's just going to rim up, but usually that's not the trend. All the big YouTubers had bear market rally and market going risk on videos last night. Why, bro? Like, oh my God. I just disagree. I'm going to be bearish until we get to terminal rates. Can we see little pops in the meantime? Yes. But logically speaking, it doesn't make any sense to, unless earnings blow things out of the water. So let's see what happens with SPY here. You got this 1 minute rim. Let's see where it wants to head. Oh, you guys, dude, you guys are killing it on the like side. Jesus, I appreciate that. I love the midday crew. You guys are killing it here, team. Not a hedge fund. I don't think they do. Or they just refuse to acknowledge it, which is bad, and it's going to lose them a lot of money. Let's see. Waiting on Tessie. I'd be a little bit careful of Tesla. It's got earnings coming up. The IV is going to be hot. They might try to kill premium going into it. Look at this thing. This is just barcode, barcode, barcode. This is premium stealing right here. That's all premium stealing. Let's see. Yeah, let me check in on the community games real quick. Let's see how you guys are doing today. Oh my God, 8% on the day, 8.8% on the day. Jesus. 1.7, 3.75, 1.64. Dude, you guys are killing it, dude. There you go. 15% on the day. Guys. All right, man. If you guys do want to hop in there with us, get access to all of the proprietary algorithms. I mean, the one that I'm running right now is you're seeing every single trade that it's taking in there. It's up 5.5% on the day here. It's crazy. We got 3 of them. 30% on the day. Jesus, guys. There you go. The link's there. It's also in the top of the live chat. Let's see. Don't look at mine. I lied. Is it higher? Is it better to trade stocks or Forex? My opinion, I like stocks better. You're in the Apple put still? Oh, boy. Oh, boy. It is higher. Nice, man. Nice, dude. All right, here comes SPY potentially wanting to break down here. Let's see if they try to sell it a little and then pop it over. Just a little slingshot here. Let's see. She's just kind of fucking around a little bit. Yeah, nothing too crazy on the news feeds either today. I haven't seen anything wild. Let's see. I think I chased because I missed out on some of the earlier plays, but I got out for only a small loss before 13.48. I would have lost a lot more because I didn't have any rules. There you go, man. $40% on your GME puts from yesterday. Make that money, man. There you go. All right, here comes SPY. There it goes. Ah, market. I love it. Yeah, NVIDIA crossing down, but at the 200. It needs to break that 200. It's like right there. I don't know if NVIDIA is going to get that juice. Let's see what happens with the SPY here. SPY is falling. Yeah, I know. I love it. I love the volatility, man. Let's see. Ah, here it comes again. Apple not really slipping yet. If Apple breaks these recent lows at 142, around 142.84, you might see it start to go. Tessie starting to slip a little here. Your short puts are printing? Well, if you're shorting puts, you're bullish. So that's nope. Apple cross on the 5-die Apple. Nice. It's getting there. I'm not trading anything right now, but the market looks like it's dying. I like it. Let's see. NVIDIA is a bit interesting here. Let's see. SPY. Nope. Didn't follow through. Didn't follow through. Let's see. Alrighty. And again, if you guys have any questions about trading, the algorithms that we have, psychology, everything, money management skills, be sure to ask. That's what I'm here for, man. A lot of other people are going to come in here on the social medias and just give you a lot of bad habits. And that's not what we're going to do around here. I want to make sure that you guys are learning things and actually setting yourself up to have success. Sorry about the puts that I got for today. Oh, that's fine. And it's rimming. Let's see. All right. Yeah, you're waiting on Apple. You're really waiting on Apple here. See if it's going to go. And then Tessie earnings after hours and then Snap tomorrow. That's kind of really going to set the tone. See how Tesla does in the after hours and then see how Snap does tomorrow. Tomorrow's the jobs report too. That's going to be importante. Isn't someone from the Fed speaking today at 1? Yeah, I think so. Kashkari. And then we get Beige Book at 2. So we could see a little bit of volatility coming in a little bit later. I don't really put that much on the Fed speakers these days because at the end of the day, we already know what they're going to say and what the situation is. Unless it's Powell, I don't really care. Just because, like, what are they going to say? Like, Bostic's coming out and basically trying to scorched earth it because in his mind, he's probably going to get removed from his Fed position. And he's just like, yeah, the Fed can't do much right now. And it's like, oh, you're saying things that we already know. Let's see here. Yeah, true. Good point. Yeah, I mean, I'll be watching those statements as they come through, but it won't be it won't be like. I mean, I'm not trading based on anything. Right? I'm done trading for the day. I'm gonna let the algos do their thing. Let's see. Looking to slip that 367 again here. Let's see. Tessie slipping. SPY pop here. There it goes. So I have SPY on the 1 minute here, just kind of watching how it's behaving around this 13. Let's see. Here it comes. Thoughts on Amy? You want the honest truth, or you want me to be like everybody else that's talking about it and blow smoke and hopium up your ass? What would you like? You want the reality, as I've said it many times, or you want me to just tell you what you want to hear? The truth? After Ape, that was a scam towards retail investors. Ape is a blatant scam towards retail. And I said, if it doesn't hold, it's kind of fucked. And then you just have everybody who can't think for themselves. It's really bad. it's like a really bad situation because if you say anything against it, everybody then comes and says you've been paid by a hedge fund, which is the dumbest thing that I've ever heard. And the thing is that, again, the overall market right now is not conducive to any real movements to the upside either. So I hate to say it, but I told you when I came out with those last videos in August, I told you everybody started freaking out, and I was like, okay, man. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. SPY with a nice movement here, and like you can hate me all you want for that, but that's my opinion. And it's based in fact. Like you can't. There's no real like debate. That is a big move down in the SPY here. Hold on. Where's what's his name? I think it's Michael, right? Michael, are you still in that? Ooh, look at that. Look at that thing. Oh my God. The algos are about to go up 6% today. No hate, just truth. No, that's fine. I mean, it's completely fair. We can have a conversation about it at some point, but I mean, I feel like I've said like kind of all I really needed to say about it. And the reality of the situation is what it is. And then it's then up to you to then either live in reality or listen to people trying to hype you up for clicks. Or do you want to come and learn the skills to actually make money in the market and learn things about the market that you didn't before? You got to make that choice for yourself. But let's see here. Again, guys, if you haven't already, hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. You guys are killing it. Your puts are in the money. Fuck yeah, dude. There you go. Yes, you are moving down to this level over here. Yeah, the algo just went up over 6% today. That's crazy. That is wild, dude. These things are fucking nasty. SPY 1 hour 200 crack. There you go. Yeah, that's filthy. If you guys want to hop in there with us and really take your trading to the next level, you know where to find us. And we have some crazy big stuff coming for you guys. Crazy big. It's huge. It's like, I would say monumental. Okay, now you can check my gains on the page. All right, buddy. Let me take a look. What did you do? Not a hedge fund. 7. All right, so you're tapping my level right here. Let's see what happens here. This is a level from March of 2021. Let's see if it holds. Move the stop loss again. Attaboy. Led to the slaughter. Or you can print with us. Let's see here. All right, team. Oh, it broke. It broke. This is gnarly. Still sounding too far off? Not 57%. Damn. All right, guys. If you have, I really hope that a lot of you guys watched that stop loss video from yesterday. If you haven't, this is a perfect situation for that whole strategy here. Scaling and setting those stops in profit. Woo. There you go. Yeah, the algo's up 6.17% today now. Filthy. Let's see. All right, let's see here. How to use the algos? Pythagoras and Invictus are going to be the predictive algorithms on the 5-minute and the daily. So they're able to tell you that the moves are going to happen before they actually do with a very, very high degree of certainty. That's why they are so successful. There's a lot of secret sauce in there. Yeah, so you flash this level here and you coming right back up. You haven't gotten that candle close below. But again, Vapor Rub, there are curriculum videos for all of those. So make sure you go watch those and get in on it. But Invictus is nasty. Pythagoras is really filthy on the daily, dude, for swing trades, especially for people that have 9 to 5 jobs. If you can't, even if you can't trade options, it's perfect for shares. Like this, the account that I'm using right here is just trading shares and it's up 6% today. The algo beat me today, which is hard to do. Been holding a 370 put since Monday. Blue past your stop for this Friday. Been waiting for it. Nettie. Follow the rules, Nettie. Let's see if it breaks. So it flashed. The low is now 365.55. Interesting. Let's see if it wants to go here. Yeah, 6.2. Hold on. I gotta take a picture of this. This is crazy. All right. Let's see here. All right, let's see here. Oh my God, it's 6.3 now. This is dirty. This is just filth. What's the best place to get info on the 2 algos you mentioned? Inside. I mean, so I can go through a little bit of what they are right now. So the first one, Pythagoras, is a predictive algorithm on the daily time frame. So what it does is it's predicting crosses before they end up happening. So it's able to front run a lot of the big moves in the market. We have another one that predicts it on the 5-minute too. And it alerts you on every single trade that it takes. And they're just murdering over here. So let me get that link to the tweet over here. I'll send that in there for you guys. If you don't follow me on Twitter yet, you should. Here you go, right there. Look at that. So that's the screenshot of what the algo is up right now. Let's see. Dun-dun-dun. All right, let's see if SPY's gonna be able to break this level here and continue selling. Let's see. Might want it here. Do you have any longer term results of the algos? Yeah, we've back tested them. If you look at, so the back test was a little bit too filthy to actually like talk about too much, but I think it turned like a really small amount. If you go back from like 2008, with Pythagoras and Trader Joe, I'm not sure which one it was, but it turned like $2,000 in the like 26 million or something crazy. Like that's what the back tests were showing. And then the way that we have it now, the accuracy of the crosses that are predicted are in the 90% range. So those are what the back tests have shown. Again, we have a full team behind building these things. We fully back test them with years and years and years and years of market data, making tweaks before we even roll them out to people. So these things are professionally made. But yeah, the link to that tweet right there. Make sure you guys go run that one up. Killing it over here. Let's see. It sounds like it can be automated, not just singles. Well, it is on my like they're actually trading. Right now, currently, they're just alerting everybody when they're taking trades. But we have curriculum videos on exactly how to use them if you're trading options, trading shares. Ryan, we will take a look at that, buddy. All right, let's see if SPY wants to break here. Let's see. Cool. Thanks. No problem, man. Hope to see you in there. And again, I'm live in there every single day from 8:45 to 10:30. Then Gabe comes on. Then we come on in the afternoon. And today we're doing those one-on-ones to make sure everybody's getting everything that they need. We got the alerts, the algorithms. We got a lot of cool stuff coming too over the next few weeks as well. Looks like it will flush again. Yeah, it does. Watch this 1 minute. It's 1 minute rimming right now. You got stopped out of the SPY put at 23% in the green. Michael, you fucking monster. At a boy. There you go. That's just filthy, man. Let's see. Yeah, 6.129% on the day. Killer, man. You still think Tesla's going to kill earnings if Netflix can, then Tesla can too? Yeah, it's possible. It's very possible. But the market, I think, is going to be, I mean, this is a pretty big move ahead of Tesla earnings, man. Not on Tesla, but on the market in general. You kept the 25 MA on it. Shows me the fake outs on a bigger time frame, for example, SPY on the 30-minute. Oh, nice. Yeah, I don't have it on there anymore. I like VWAP. I change some things sometimes, but this is probably what I'm going to keep right now. I've been having a lot of success. And then hopefully you guys have been paying attention to a lot of the things that we've been talking about, the little nuances to making sure that you can take your emotions out of the trade. All right, let's see what happens here. That move on the SPY here was huge. Is Tesla earnings today? Yes, sir, it is. Let's see. If it slips these lows, you could be in for some cascading selling. Come up to 366.90 and chill. Yeah, it could. This could also be where it flatlines. But you're watching that key level. Wells Fargo, another knife. Little bit there. SPY's not really moving. It didn't really knife you a little bit. Nothing crazy, though. Damn, you midday crew people are awesome, man. Shout out to all you guys engaging with the stream. Shout out to all the members of the 1348 crew that are in here right now. I mean, those of you guys who have been with us for a while are really, really seeing the rewards. And thank you for taking a shot on us, man. I know a lot of people were just saying things out there on the internet that were just blatantly not true. And you guys came, trusted us, and now you're seeing the rewards of it, man. Let's see. SPY's trying here. Huh. New candle. Da-da-da. Let's see. It's flashing. It's flashing a little bit here. All right, let's see where it's going. Let's see if it wants to come down and break these lows here. What's it looking like on the 3? Nothing. 5 minutes probably not looking at anything crazy here. See how it's flatlining right here? It's gearing up for a move, I think, up or down. I don't think it's going to get trapped here. I think you're waiting for it to decide which way it really wants to go for a little bit. Let's see. Been out for 2.5 hours. How we doing? Fucking great, Kelly. This market movement today is filthy. What's going on with the bonds? Ooh. They're moving interestingly here. Wells Fargo, 2 cents off the low. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see here. All right. Kind of flashing around here. Let's see. Oh, a bond auction? Is there an auction today? There might be an auction. Kashkari says Fed shouldn't overreact to temporary inflation. There's a danger of talking ourselves into a recession. What the fuck are you talking about, Kashkari? Like, really, bro? Let's see. Here comes a little slippage again. Dude, if Tesla misses today, this is going to get dirty. We are already in a recession. Agreed, my man. Agreed. I completely agree with you there, dude. All right, let's see. All right. It's just 1 minute rimming here. Let's see. It hasn't gotten a candle closing above that 1 minute 13 though. As they create a new definition. Yeah, they might do that. They tend to do those things. they tend to do that. Oh, let's see. This move here was fucking filthy. All right, are they going to push it back up? Not a hedge fund. That move there, you could be spot on that one. It's also right where the 48 on the 1 minute is. No, I'm not playing. Tesla, 1, its IV is going to be cranked. 2, I haven't seen Tesla do anything absolutely wild on earnings for a what? When were you going to use the Z score? On what? On like IV and stuff? Like, I did, Ryan. I did. I love when I guess it right. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see where we go here. All right. Oh, there's that first closing candle here. I mean, it did it here and then just got absolutely booty clapped. Let's see. If this wants to be a nice little rally up, you could end up seeing a little 5 minute rim, 367.14. Watch that. Help show weakness in general. We could. Let's see. Just cashed out at Wells Fargo, $5,000 day, holding some puts. There you go, man. There you go. Yeah. I'm kind of upset that the algo beat me today in terms of percentage gains. Not going to lie. Like, that's good because it's an absolutely amazing algorithm, but like, come on. You really going to beat me? Come on, bro. That's not nice. It's up 6%. I just got to do better, I guess. You know, I just got to do better. Sold for a 20% gain on the spot to lock it in just minutes before this last dump. Kind of sad, but okay with it. Scar, have you? I'm gonna ask. Have you paid attention to that stop loss? Janky make it free video. I mean, that probably would have saved you from that crazy move or from selling it early. Let's see. All right, let's see. SPY. It's trying to get up. It's trying to get up there to that 13 on the 5. Jamie, it has to do with an announcement. I think it's like a Fed meeting in China. So hold on. Where was it? Where is it? This one. Hang Seng opens lower as head of Hong Kong leader John Lee's policy speech. That's what it was. That's what they were selling off on 4 hours ago. And then you could look at here why they hit 52-week lows today. It's probably going to talk about just overall uncertainty. Per the South China Morning Post, it's made in policy address. Yeah, it has to do with the policy address. So all China stocks were getting beat up today. Jamie, anytime, buddy. That's what I'm here for. It's all information around here. No confirmation bias. Let's see. SPY slipping back down lower. 40% on your puts, not bad for a trade today. That's solid, man. I mean, I hit the NVIDIA for 30 and I was having a great time with it. Let's see. Frank. What are you doing, Frank? Frank. Let's see. Moving around here a little bit. All right. Let's see. Oh, damn. Waiting on Tessie tomorrow. Tessie's tonight after hours. I'm not touching it. If you do, you're gambling. And if you lose, you deserve it. That's what happens when you play earnings. I can't I'm just going to be blunt. If you lose on earnings, it is what it is. Earnings is meant to steal from you. Especially like Tesla. You got to be very careful of your trading earnings. Biden has a speech at 2 p.m. I think yesterday it was about I don't know. I'll take a look. It's usually not. If it's about oil, that could be interesting. But SPY. Hello. If it breaks this 48, you can see it run up to this 200 here, but we'll see. That's why you're waiting for tomorrow. There you go. Smart man. Smart man. I wanted to play a little Netflix today, but didn't really like it. Just kind of shooting out of the gate for no reason. Open interest for Friday. Apple 140 puts is insane. Can that many people be wrong? Yes, 100% they can. Again, massive amounts of people can always be wrong. You have to think about it like this. How's a good way to explain this? If you think about like trading skills, most people fail. Like 90% of traders fail, or whatever the number is. So if you're gonna follow, let's see what the masses are doing. Probably gonna fail. Could the market come down by then? Yes. Is a bunch of open interest on Apple 140 puts for this Friday the reason I would take the trade? No, it's not why I would take it. And again, it's weeklies. There's only 2 days to expiration, and that's going to be very, very, very like you're cutting it close there, man. You're holding overnight. You got Tesla earnings. You got jobs report tomorrow. You got a lot of nonsense coming in. SPY starting to bounce back up here. Excuse me, sir. Can I tell you the SPY price? Yes, 367.06. So you were wrong, Mr. Not a hedge fund. Ha. I'm just kidding. Tesla will crash to 100. I disagree, but let's see what happens. Damn it, I suck. No. Oh, man. Again, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream, too. Helps out a lot over here. You guys are already slaughtering it today. I appreciate you guys. Very solid crew in here, as usual. Everybody's willing to learn. I love it. I love it, man. And again, if you guys have questions, there's no dumb questions. If I come at you sideways on a question, it's because I'm trying to protect you. And I hope that you take it that way. I'm not going to come out and call you directly stupid. It's not going to happen. I want you guys learning and making sure that you have the tools to make money in the market. But if you say something like mulling to 100, then I will call you stupid. That I will say. Just point it out right now. Sorry. Spy little shark there. Let's see. Dun. All right. Nancy kind of rimming the 13 and the 200 here. Only two Scar. Let's see. Yeah. Spy potentially looking for a rim here or just a fake out and coming right back down. Let's see. Stop. Scar. Stop. Scar, don't make me bring up me coming over there to shave your head if you start YOLOing trades overnight and being down 60%. You are in no position to be making jokes right now, my man. I need to see you need to get back into the good graces here, pal. Wish everybody the best in trading. I'm out. Peace. And 2D2, you too, buddy. Congratulations on the gains, my man. You bought a bandana because of Scar? Nice. If SPY closes at 366.90, I'm playing Powerball tonight. It could. Let's see. You're kind of fucking around in this little range here, but I think you're in for some volatility odd coming in later in the day. Cognitive, I agree, but here's the thing: that's not what people are. That's not why people are talking about it. It all has to do with the sentiment and the reasoning behind the entry or exit. Let's see. SPY slowly trying to make its way up here. Let's see. When calls on what? On what? What would you like to place some call bets on, my man? Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Oh, here we go. Here it comes. Let's see if it wants to make that move back down. Antics, I don't see your last comment. Maybe it's because I'm only in this mode. Yeah, no. Fuck that, Antics. Let's see. Let's see. Chill the VIX. Oh no. What's up, Aaron? How you doing, pal? What's up, team? How we doing? Let's see here. All right. SPY just kind of flashing around here. Let's see. Biden speaking. Thanks, Orlando. It's about oil, I think. Energy security and lower costs. Yep. US to sell 15 million of crude oil from SPR. All right. How's oil reacting to that? WTI is up 2. Brent's up 1.9. Natural gas down 4.4. Watch that. Biden says extra oil could also be made available for sale if needed. How about you just drill, bro? Oh my God. Stop being so dependent on OPEC. God. Why can't anybody just have some level of just like, oh, this is probably a good idea. Let's do this. Let's be smart here. And then just no. Everybody likes whatever, man. We're in a clown world. Make your money and then just go live on some island somewhere. Or like Dubai where you don't have to pay taxes to these people. Keith Chan? Oh, yeah. I haven't seen Keith around here in a while. Let's see. With the daily work, if I wanted to make a dividend portfolio, what do you mean? Not really. You're gonna. It's different strategies there. Very, very different strategies there. All right, Spy's trying here. Nothing too crazy. Let's check back in on the algo. It is up 5.988%. Killing it, dude. TLT contract straight funding my honeymoon. You're welcome, buddy. Those are good. Those are good, Michael. All right, let's see. Which algo? This is a what do you call it? This is a very, very slightly modified Pythagoras. The only thing that's different here is that it's just looking at more tickers, I think. But again, you guys have all access to this too. Let's see. Biden says the U.S. will refill the SPR when U.S. oil prices are at or below 72, or never. And from who are you buying this oil? I can't, man. Oh my God, it hurts. Can we get an algo that does ES? Yeah, we'll get there. Don't worry, Nas. Don't worry, buddy. We're getting there. Let's see. SVP is wearing suspenders. I'm not wearing suspenders, bro. What is that? No, I'm not wearing suspenders. That's not happening. Oh, oof. I need to get more sleep tonight. Here comes Spy with a little bit of a slip. Let's see if it wants to hold here, if it wants to crack back down. What are my thoughts on trading SPX? You need a larger account, or you need to have a lot of experience trading. Here's the other thing too. If you're following somebody that's trading SPX and they're trying to, like, you're trying to follow them into stuff, I heavily disagree with that, just because you're going to see such crazy volatility on it. Yeah, and if you want to see let's see. I'll throw the link to that tweet in here again. Let's see. Yeah, if you guys wouldn't mind heading over to Twitter, dropping a like on this tweet over here, it would help out spreading the word a little bit about all the awesome things that we have going over here. It's killing it. These algorithms are great. It's awesome. So that link's right there if you guys won't mind running it up like you guys always do. All right, let's see. So Spy's slipping here a little bit. How are the gilts? Why are people buying gilts right now? Who in the hell is buying gilts? Yeah, crude is oil's running up right here. Here's why oil's running on that news from Biden. It's almost like setting a price floor, if that makes sense. You're slacking. You're slacking. Let's see here. Let's see. There goes Spy with a drop. You keep singing Apple Die to the Rocky theme. It might get there. What's this? This is the 5-minute here. Dun-dun-dun. Come on. Emotional damage. Ah! Let's see. All right. Moving around here a little bit. Let's see. Ooh. Correction. Biden says the U.S. will refill SPR when oil prices are below 70. When, bro? When is this happening? Let's see. Did I catch that Head and Shoulders double top? No, I'm done for the day. I'm already done. I'm letting the algo do its thing. And I had a Green Day today. It wasn't anything crazy. Little baby Green Day, and then I just decided, all right, I'm done. Had some really, really solid trades, and then done. No reason to risk any more. I didn't want to risk any of the money that I already made. Slowly compounding those gains. That's the thing. Once you realize the power of compounding, you'll see all of these other stocks that people are talking about all the time, and you'll be like, "What the fuck? No." But let's see here. Yeah, Spy's just kind of flying around here. I don't think I'd touch anything. That move was wild. Oh yeah, it was. Oh yes, it was. Let's see. All right, slipping for a little bit here. You're up 54%. Nice. 1.89% on the day. That's what it's all about, people. That is what it's all about. Yeah, Al goes back to what? 6.139. Killing it, man. Let's see. Here we go. Let's see. It'd be interesting if we tap this level again, that 365.86. That would be very interesting if we started to move down there lower. Where's Tesla? Just theta burning, bro. Tesla's just burning theta. Here she goes. That's what you get with mail order presidents. Hey, man. You might be right there. Let's see. All right. Tesla at 290 today. Why are you trying to gamble on earnings? Why? Oh man. You guys will get there. A lot of you guys have gotten there so far. That's at $80. Is anything out of like possibility? No. Is that likely? Also no. So if for some reason you have like Tesla 290 calls that expire this week, if they I couldn't even imagine. Like you guys heard me yesterday when what's his name? Cootie was talking about that GTII, and I was like, it literally made my stomach hurt. I was like, I can't listen to this. Could we be forming a double bottom? We'd have to go a lot lower for a double bottom. Right now, it's just flickering around. This is chop. This is just a little bit of chop here. I don't know, man. Tessie 30% day of bear market. Where's my wallet? Oh, man. You guys know what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep sitting here, scalping, making money in the market, compounding my account. And then all of a sudden, you're going to be like, hey, why does he have a Pista? Why is this kid driving a Ferrari? And it's like, well, he was just sitting here compounding and stacking up those gains and blocking out all the other nonsense. And here we are. Let's see. Dun-dun-dun. Let's see. Apple slip. Nice. Yeah, we could. I mean, we could be double bottoming, but you'd need to come down a lot lower. It would need to be close. Right now, you're just kind of rimming on the 5 minute here. Let's see. All right. 366.60. Where's my what? You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. Again, people. Woo! We are almost at 200 likes. I appreciate that, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. You guys are awesome. I love this crew that we got here. Apple's closer to double bottom, I think. On this, yeah, a little bit, but it would need to fall a little bit more. You need to see Apple get that selling pressure. But even if it does get this selling pressure around here, I think it'll slip here because you have these day lows that it could come and test. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of slowing down here. You got that nice move, though. That was sweet. This move here was sweet. Bing, 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 bing. Dead, dead, dead. Came right down to my level. What did we say today in the pre-market stream, people? If it slips these lows, you're seeing my level. So we called that one. Oh, also, remember this one, guys? Remember this one? This 200 EMA test this morning? We called this one in the pre-market. I was like, yeah, I think we're seeing a 200 EMA test and hard rejection. Bing, bang, boom, dead. We've been spot on, man, with a lot of things. You paper traded that move down. Wish it was your real money. I mean, again, you guys have heard my thoughts on the paper trading. I personally think you got to get off paper trading as soon as possible because you need that psychological aspect of money at risk. But guys, that is going to wrap up the midday stream for today. Shout out to all you guys in here. I hope you guys are making money. That's what we're all here for. And if you want to get away from all of like the fucking nonsense, like all the crap that people are trying to spew to you and play with your emotions on the internet, you guys know where to find us to come for those consistent strategy, consistent gains, the algorithms. I was showing you guys the algorithms today. I mean, they're absolutely filthy. If you guys want to hop in there with us, it's the best place to learn how to trade, man. You guys see me do it all the time. Hop in if you're ready. If you want to take it to the next level, you know where to find us. So I will see you guys later. All you guys that are in there with us right now, shout out to you. We are going to be doing those one-on-ones within the next 30 minutes. So get ready for that. I will see you guys there. Hit that like on the way out. Hop in with us if you're ready. Peace.